Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we'll discuss how to unlock an Amazon account. We'll cover 3 easy methods to regain access. Method 1. Unlock via live chat. 1. Sign into your account, or create a new one if locked out. 2. Click the small arrow near Accounts and Lists. 3. Select Customer Service from the list. 4. Click something else and then I need more help. 5. Start chatting with support, explain the issue, and provide verification details. Method 2. Unlock via phone call. 1. Follow steps 1 to 5 from Method 1. 2. Click Request Call Now and enter your phone number. 3. Amazon support will call you to verify your account. Method 3. Unlock via email, slowest option. 1. Reply to the Amazon email notifying you of the account lock. 2. Provide verification details to unlock your account. That's it. Unlocking your Amazon account is easy. Let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.